Hi guys, magmukbang kami ng... Anong tawag to?
I don't know.
Mukbang mi guys. Ayan o. Anong tawagan ito eh? Nakalimot ko sa pangal.
I don't know. That's what it is.
Mayonnaise. Ano yung pangalan te? Screenshot mo nga.
Mom, I know what it is. I know what it is.
Oh, what's that?
I know what it is. A big green ball. Yeah.
Yan. Mag-isa kami ng anak ko.
Mm.
Ganito lang kakainin to guys. Ganyan lang oh.
Lagi mo box siya.
You gotta eat
Tapos,
right here. You gotta eat right here.
I just dip the mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise.
Nah, really?
Ayan. Ito lang yung kinakain niya guys oh. Tapos, dip in. Tapos, ito lang. Hindi mo kakainin to. Dito lang.
Only on the top.
Na. Until you reach the heart. Yeah. Thank you, Dai. Mami Ping Ping buy this for us.
Thank you, Mommy Big Bang.
Ang pangalan te?
Amot lang eh.
Ano si ate eh?
Di, nag-check ko sa
Mmm.
labi nga wala na naman ang labi.
Asa man nabutang? Wa man ka nagtrabaho.
Di, gahapon. Huwag man ako dadang labi.
How does Uncle Bob know we're here? Huh? Oh, it's gonna see through out there. He's gonna watch.
Yummy. Come on, dear baby. My son loved this one since when
I was 2.
2 years old.
I don't know how. I still remember.
You eat this until you reach the heart.
Di, lagi mo box.
Asparagus ba to, te?
Dili mo box, oh.
Baka mali ang imong kuan, basta ibabaw.
Dili. Kailangan ng biyuhan.
Gusto mo yan, no? Ayaw niya tulis yung kain dito. Gusto mo kata?
They're good. It's healthy.
Really? Healthy?
Right, Mom?
What's this mean, baby? What's the name of this?
The green, big,
Oh, no.
red.
Nagmukbang kami, guys.
Why did I say red?
Tama. Masarap to, guys. Ayan lang. Hindi na kakainin to, oh. Hindi na kinakain. Ito lang.
Mom, you just said that 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Well, not 5 minutes. Probably like at 28.
Add natin ng mayonnaise. Gusto ka, te?
Mayroon bang mayonnaise mo ba rin?
Mom,
Na.
it's healthy.
Yummy. Anong pangalan nito, te? Nakalimot ko, eh.
Ako alam ba?
I don't know what's the name of this.
Pagtantanan eh.
Ako na, mamaya.
Kailangan linisan ako.
Show them the heart.
Then we eat until you reach the heart.
Mom, you just said that.
Yes, baby. Yummy.
Why you have to keep saying it? Yeah, I'm gonna go throw some of mine away.
Okay. Kamahan ako nagtangtang guys.
Natangtang?
Oo, kamahan na.
Here, hold on.
Can you give me some knife? Baby?
What?
Knife? Scissors?
It burned. Mom, I don't know where you put the scissors in this house. You just randomly moved them and I don't know where they are. You completely forgot last time.
Ay. Sa mani. Di ay isod.
Mao di ay. Mao di ay. Tapos, kukunin to guys, wala na to. See, that's the heart. So this is the heart guys.
Pagkuga di ay kanang isod.
Tanggalin na to guys, hindi na to kainin. Yan.
Yo! Yo! Mom, you covered the ranch!
See?
Pampunas mo dahil. Di ba may pampunas ka?
Wala ta, kuan na ng kuan. Kano? Kuan ka ng
Scissors.
Caesar.
so kailangan tanggalin to. Kasi yung heart niya. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my goodness!
Mom's a big bag.
Tana eat it.
Hey. Want some?
Yeah?
Dip it in the ranch.
I like that.
Oh. Why do I keep saying ranch? You big bag.
See guys,